Good morning, friends. It's time for our greeting time and message board. Let's sing our good morning song. Good morning, Ayana. Good morning, Ayana. Good morning, Ayana. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Liam. Good morning, Liam. Good morning, Liam. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Adrian. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Callie. Good morning, Callie. Good morning, Callie. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Raina. Good morning, Raina. Good morning, Raina. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Renard. Good morning, Renard. Good morning, Renard. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, Dominic. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Damien. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, friends. How are you on this lovely day? We're in our 4th month of the year. Number 4, we had January, February, March, and now we're in April. And as you can see, there's umbrellas for April. If you look outside, it's raining because it's springtime and April showers bring May flowers. It's a little bit cool, so if you go outside, make sure you wear your jacket. Let's talk about our days of the week. Today is our number 1 day of the week. What's our number 1 day of the week, friends? Let's think about our song. What is the first day we say when we sing our days of the week song? Well, let's sing it and find out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. If you were listening very closely, you heard that Monday is our number 1, our first day of the week. So today, my friends, is Monday. Welcome to a new week and welcome to a wonderful spring Monday. Well, friends, since we're all done learning our ABCs, Ms. Ree and Ms. Connie are going to start talking to you about science. Science is what we learn from observing, and observing is looking at with our eyes and thinking about with our brain the things all around us in the world. And a scientist is someone who does science. Scientists wear special things when they do their work. One of those things, if you look at Miss Ree, is a lab coat. You see my lab coat? Scientists wear lab coats when they're doing their work to protect their clothes and their skin in case they splash something when they're doing their experiments. Another thing that scientists wear are these right here. These are goggles. See, they have a strap on the back and they're plastic. Where do you think these goggles go? That's right, they go over the scientist's eyes. Let me show you how it works. Scientists put it over their eyes so that when they're doing their work, and maybe they're working with chemicals or liquids that can splash, it protects their eyes so nothing dangerous gets in their eyes and hurts them. Another thing that scientists use are gloves. These are rubber gloves. You just slide your hand right in there. And why do you think that scientists use gloves? Scientists use gloves to protect their hands too. They don't want to get anything dangerous on their fingers and on their skin that might hurt them. So scientists use gloves. Scientists also use many special tools. And I have a few of those tools to show you. One of the tools that I'm going to take these off so you can see me. One of the tools that scientists use is a ruler. See See this? A ruler has numbers on it. See, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a ruler measures how long something is. If you look right here, let's see. I have a marker. I can measure how long my marker is. It looks like this marker is 7 inches long. When scientists are observing things, sometimes they want to see how long something is, and then they can measure it with their ruler. Another thing that a scientist uses is this right here. Does anybody know what that is? That's a magnifying glass. And you might be able to see with my magnifying glass that when you look through a magnifying glass, things look bigger. So if you're looking at something that's small and observing something that's small, you can get a better look if you look through the magnifying glass. Look at that. See how little my kitty cat looks? But now look, when I put up the magnifying glass, it looks really big and you can see it very well. So that helps scientists to see what they are looking at and observing. Another thing that scientists use is a microscope. Have you ever seen a microscope before? A microscope is kind of like a magnifying glass because it makes things bigger, but it makes very, very small things that you can't even see with your eyes bigger so that you can see them. You put them down here, whatever you want to look at goes right here, and then the scientist looks through this right here, this little eyepiece, and then you can see the very, very small things. They look big, and you can really see all the little parts of those things, so you can observe and study very, very small things. So, friends, for the next few weeks, we're going to be scientists. We're going to learn about what happens when you mix things together and when you heat things up and what kind of objects float in the water and sink in the water. And we'll also collect some rocks and observe and look at and think about some rocks that we find outside. And we're also going to learn how plants grow. So we're going to have a really, really fun time. Now, I want everyone to come to our group Zoom meeting tomorrow because we're going to make Play-Doh volcanoes. We're going to mix things together and create a volcano. So Miss Ree would love to see you there, and we can have some fun with science. That's our lesson for today. And I hope you remember, I want you to look around at the world around you with your eyes and observe and think about the things that you see, and then we will learn all about them in the next few weeks. I hope you have a great day. I'm going to blow you a kiss. I want you to catch it, put it on your cheek, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye, friends.